Outlet for Hansen and across the line, down the left board. Stumbling was McCutcheon. Hansen to the net. A shot, rebound, scores! Smith-Redmond came in and cashed in the garbage. And it's 1-0 Edmonton. Goes rink wide, Wormold with room. He'll shoot and a pad save. Rebound, scores! Team leading 28 for Brayden Edwards. And it's 1-1, a power play goal. Bruce out of the box, gets a pass, works in, left for Yeko. He shoots, he scores! Adam Yeko hits 20, and Edmonton has a 2-1 lead. Chipped forward and a breakaway for Hansen. Landon Hansen in on goal. He dekes, stopped by Brady Smith. He'll pick wide on Nash. Sidor in, cuts to the middle. He shoots. Across for Yeko, right circle, walks in and shoots, he scores! What a shot of the power play by Adam Yeko, his second of the night, and it's 3-1 Edmonton. Yeko to Sauchin, he'll walk in, cuts, steals, Lajoie scores! Marc Lajoie's 21st, the power play goal, and it's 4-1 Edmonton. Here's Yeko in over the line. Miller gets a shot, he scores. Cole Miller posting in. 5-1 Edmonton. Darrenowski's lost his stick. Here's McKenzie, a shot tipped in front, they score. John Sabo on the doorstep, and the Lethbridge product is a Gordie Howe hat trick. And it's 6-1 Edmonton.